everybody, how are you today? It's Miranda here doing life, and today in my life I'm going to be unboxing a Wantable box. Okay, so this box is a $20 styling fee. You do get that styling fee back if you are to purchase at least one item. This one feels very heavy. One thing that I do really like about Wantable is that they have what they call your closet, and you're able to go through and put things from their like store or whatever in your closet, and then they will send you those items. So I really like that. So yeah, let's get into this Wantable box. And of course, it's free shipping both ways. You don't pay any shipping, so that's always a plus. I actually have scissors here instead of trying to get the box open without them. I'm getting better, you guys. I'm getting better. Okay, so like I said, it is a very heavy box, but this is what it looks like when I open it. I put in my closet just fall items, things to get me through the fall and hopefully into winter. It is starting to get quite cold here in Nebraska. We went from like the 70s to like 30s. That's insane. That's really insane. All right, so let me try to get out this big old bundle for you guys. Oh my gosh. That is so heavy, and it is chock full of good stuff. Let me get out of the chair and let you look. We got something puffy here, maybe. I don't know. That feels like a belt. Some gray. Ooh, look at that. All right, who is ready to get into this Wantable? Because I know I am. Put the box down there. The only thing that I don't think I've ever seen on their website is shoes, but they do have like accessories, and they have like purses and things like that. Okay, so of course I have my prepaid mailer, so I don't have to pay to send anything back. Then this is a $50 gift card. $25 off first 2 deliveries from Green Chef. And then this is my invoice. So, for my account note, I put Nebraska has cold, windy winters, so please try and keep that in mind during the winter months. And then the stylist note says, "Hi Miranda, happy fall. I'm excited to show you some great layering pieces. I was happy to include many of the pieces you requested from the stream," which is your closet. Nice pick. For a cute look, pair a basic white tee with the compression leggings and layer the cardigan, Ramirez cardigan on top. For another easy outfit, pair with striped intermingled Dolman sleeve with the denim leggings and booties. Can't wait to hear what you think. And Stephanie was my stylist. Okay, so the first thing is this. Oh, it's a bag. Oh, cool. It is KATA Nightline Backpack in navy, and it's $88. And it is heavy. So it has, I'll just stand up and show you guys. It has all like these belts and buckles. And it's like a jacket kind of material. It's got some leather up here and a hook. Wow, it's got a zipper back here that you can stick stuff in. And I think I had a credit from one of you guys, so thank you for ordering off of my link. I will leave the link below if anybody else wants to try Wantable for themselves. So I didn't pay a styling fee, And then I have like a $5 credit too. So that's the inside of it. I'm just checking it out. Like, I don't even know what to think about all this. It does come with a dust bag that says Wantable. I have never carried really a backpack, but it might be, it's got leather on the bottom. It might be handy for our trip that we're going on at the end of the month, so that I don't have to, I have like a bigger chest area, so I feel like it just accentuates. But here's the bag. What do y'all think? It's 88 bucks. Do you think it's worth 88 bucks? But anyway, so there's the bag. Then the next item I'm pulling out, is a long gray cardigan duster. It's really long and it has slits down here. And let's see what it says about this one. The Ramirez cardigan in heather gray. I ordered it in an extra large and it's $78. Woo! Pricey. So, but it feels really nice. Really nice. Okay. Leave that right there. Ooh, this is really soft, this striped maroon. This is, I guess, the Dolman sleeve. And it is super soft. I wish you guys could feel this material. And it says striped intermingled Dolman long sleeve in port, I guess port wine and white. It's in an extra large and it's $58. Wow, that's really soft. It has the Dolman sleeves. Okay, then next up we have some leopard print and a jacket. It has a zipper here and the main zipper. So it has two pockets. It's by Vigos. And it's a leopard denim moto jacket in extra large by Vigos, and it's $78. So there's the back of it. Then I have, these are the jeggings, I guess. Let's see. Denim legging in indigo, and they're $82. Yeah, $82. So that's what they look like. And they are a skinny. I'll try them on. They better feel like, I don't know, the most amazing pants I've ever worn for me to want to pay $82 for these. And she sent them to me in a 1X, which I don't normally wear a 1X, so I wonder if they run small. Okay. Then the next item, I do really like these. I love the color of these pants. By Curve Appeal. She sent them to me in a 14 wide. These are the compression jeggings. So they have, now I like jeggings because when you're wearing something a little bit more form-fitting, it doesn't show like all the buckles and buttons usually, but these do have them. And let me see. They are, $68. So that's not bad. Hopefully those feel really nice. Okay. And then I have one last thing. I have a KATA Infinity scarf in green. It's $36. And this thing is super silky soft. Like super silky soft. I kept a big blanket scarf last year from my Wantable box, and we actually use it to cover up with a lot. not that great at putting on scarves. That feels amazing on my neck, like up next to my skin. So I'd have to play with it, of course, but because usually a lot of times an infinity scarf will not, I like them when they don't have the closure, like they're just the round tube, but I'll play with it, but it is really silky smooth. So with my credits and everything, the total of my box would be $385.50. Please tell me what you think of this box. Let me know if you think I should keep 5 items, if I should keep all of them, if I should keep none of them. But I'm probably going to be pretty sad if you say don't keep that red top because it's really soft. So anyways, all right, I hope you guys have a fabulous day. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out the door, and also the thumbs up. It really does help a channel out when you do that. So if you're brand new to my channel, once again, thanks for stopping by. I hope that you enjoyed my content, and if you want to see more, I do unboxings, I do all kinds of lifestyle videos like decorating and cooking, and I do a little bit of everything around here. So I hope you'll stick around and see what else I've got going on.